Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we wrote our very first C# program and learned about the basic structure of a C# application. Today, we're going to take it a step further by exploring variables, data types, and how to perform basic arithmetic operations in C#. If you haven't watched the first video yet, I highly recommend checking that out first to get a good foundation. But if you're ready to dive deeper into C#, let's get started. Before we start coding, let's talk about variables. A variable is like a container that holds data. You can think of it as a box where you store something, and you can label the box with a name so you can find it later. In C#, variables can store different types of data, such as numbers, text, or even more complex data types. But for now, let's focus on some basic types. In C#, every variable has a data type that defines what kind of data it can hold. Here are a few common data types. Int stores whole numbers, like 1, 2, or -5. Double stores numbers with decimals, like 3.14 or -0.001. Char stores a single character, like a or z. String stores a sequence of characters or text, like hello or C# is fun. Bool stores a Boolean value, which can be either true or false. Let's jump into Visual Studio and see how we can work with these data types. Open up your C# project in Visual Studio, and let's declare some variables. Type the following code inside the main method. Here's what we're doing. Int age equals 25, we declare an integer variable named age and assign it the value 25. Double height equal 5.9, we declare a double variable named height and assign it the value 5.9. Char grade equals, we declare a char variable named grade and assign it the value String name equals John, we declare a string variable named name and assign it the value John. Bool is student equals true, we declare a Boolean variable named isStudent and assign it the value true. Let's print these variables to the console. When you run the program, you should see the following output. This shows you how variables work in C#. They store data that you can use later in your program. Now, let's do some basic arithmetic with our variables. Modify your code like this. This code does the following. Adds number 1 and number 2, and stores the result in sum. Subtracts number 2 from number 1, and stores the result in difference. Multiplies number 1 and number 2, and stores the result in product. Divides number 1 by number 2, and stores the result in quotient. When you run the program, you should see these are the basic arithmetic operations you can perform in C#. Now that you know how to use variables and perform arithmetic, let's try a small challenge. I want you to write a program that calculates the area of a rectangle. Here's how. Declare two variables, width and height, and assign them some values. Calculate the area by multiplying width and height. Print the area to the console. Here's an example to get you started. Try running this code and see the result. This challenge will help reinforce what you've learned in this video. That's it for today's lesson. You now know how to declare variables, work with different data types, and perform basic arithmetic operations in C#. Keep practicing, and you'll get more comfortable with these concepts in no time. In the next video, we'll explore control structures like if statements and loops, which will allow us to make decisions in our programs and repeat actions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more C# tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.